Operation Snooza Palooza is a go.
Milc has no place to sleep tonight. And what I didn't know was that Burpee is as crazy a snorer as Milc. I just want to make it like Good Talk for his Happy News Network. So he'll be on one couch, Burpee on the other couch. I want it to be legit.
So we should have the audio guy wired to mics.
Yes.
See who has maxed out decibels.
Last night, they weren't as sleepy or as drunk or as inebriated as we thought they would be. Every time my assistant went to try to wire the couches to get a decibel read off the snores, they stirred. So this time, we need to get them more fucked up.
Buzzballs.
Buzzball. You're right, we should get buzzball. Cut to assistant feeding them liquor.
Burpee, you about to rip the contra to the head right now?
Okay, Milc. Die. I'm gonna fucking throw it.
Oh god.
No, you won't. It's okay.
Christ. What are we doing?
You guys are animals. That is not bad.
We've decided to enter Henry under the GoodTalk Snoring team.
I was up till 5 a.m. getting footage. Took me 3 minutes to put it up together and 3 minutes to take it down. And it was very scary. It was like I was in Black Ops, you know?
Burpee was double Milc's.